Parlee Beach, located in Pointe du Chien, New Brunswick, is a popular destination known for its warm, salt water and fine sand. It's part of Parlee Beach Provincial Park, which offers various activities and amenities. The beach is famous for having some of the warmest waters in Canada and is a Blue Flag International Eco-Certified beach. One of North America's finest beaches, Parlee boasts the warmest salt water in Canada and has been awarded the Blue Flag International Eco-Certification. Visit the charming Boutique Beau Soleil or enjoy the Euston Park patio while tasting its local food and microbrew on tap. Parlee Beach Provincial Park has made accessibility in our park a priority. We believe that everyone should be able to enjoy our beautiful park and beach to the fullest. So we have made some changes to ensure those with mobility issues can access our park safely and comfortably. A MobiMat has been rolled out from sidewalk to the water, allowing wheelchairs, walkers, hippocamp chairs, and strollers to easily navigate the beach to the water. In addition, our new comfort station offers a male, female, and gender-neutral family washroom with accessible features. Please note that dogs are not permitted on the beach, with the exception of service animals wearing a service animal vest. The park's campground boasts over 210 campsites on a beautifully groomed property. Nearby, you'll also find shopping centers and boutiques, marinas, restaurants, accommodations, cultural activities, and the world's largest lobster sculpture. Come spend an enjoyable day in the sun at one of the most happening beaches around. If you are planning to go for a swim, click the link in description and comments to check from the Water Quality Monitoring Advisory Service.